Hold on, hold on, hold. Hey, hold. Over, bro, over. Shit, shit. Oh, shit. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ 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 So, good morning people of YouTube, welcome back. We are on another ride. We have a very big group of 14-15 people. A couple more people will join us in some time. So today we are going towards some more forest trails, and we have a big group with us. So you see Himalayans. Let me show you a very unique bike. So this is a TVS Ronin, but it has been converted with the 21-inch setup at the front. The Expulse suspension, the Expulse setup in the front and the rear. So that's Ronin for you. And the usual RXs, more Expulses and more Himalayans. First of all, welcome to Off-Road Hunters team. Today we are a very big group. There are 17 riders over here. Nice. This is the first time we are going with such a big group. Usually we go 5-6 people, maximum 7 people. So thank you all for coming. First of all, a big round of applause. Very beautiful. Despite rain, you have come. That's fantastic. Okay. So the trail will start in some time. Okay. We will enter the trail. Okay. We'll enter from one side. In the middle there will be a temple, and we'll exit from the other side. Okay. This is the first time we are going to this trail, so we don't know how long the trail is going to be. So let's just say it could be between 4 to 5 kilometers. Okay. Second thing, we are anticipating the trail to be narrow. Okay, it is not wide. So maintain considerable distance. Okay? Don't overtake each other unless it's an open patch. If you want to have a temple for everyone to relax, everyone is have fun over there. Okay. And after the temple, there's one more trail that we'll do after finish this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Chalo. Chalo. Okay. So everyone has gone ahead. I am to tail the groups, which I am doing. So far a bit interesting because of the rains, but if the rains were not there, it would have been a pretty straightforward trail. It has become interesting because of the rains. Hey! 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 Let's go, chalo. Huh? Full slush fest. Full slush fest. Oh! What happened? ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಲೆ ಚಲೆ ಚಲೆ ಡೈರಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟಿ
Come, we'll go. Come. You go, you take from the water. Go. River crossing. Keep going. That's all. Go that way. Now take a right. Hold. Hey, hold. So the Ronin. Look at the Ronin. Looking like a wow. Oi. Hey, this path is nice. River crossing only full. We're taking another route. Oh. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. Maja, come. Dude, you come to the right. Go this way. Go. You see this path. Take that path where no one has taken. You don't see any tracks, right? Take that. Oh, look at his bike. Full chocolatey. Hey, Xpulse new color. Slow throttle. Don't give too much. Slow. Give slow throttle. Slowly give throttle. Come. Keep going. Come on, bro. Good one. Keep going. Take this. Go. Hey, look how deep it is, dude. My shoe is getting stuck. Clear. Slow throttle. Give slow throttle. Go. Good one. Hey, take this. Hey. Everyone took this. He always plays safe, huh? Then he puts video. Everyone else, me. मजा नहीं आया. चलो. So far, super fun trail. Full slippery, slidey. Slush fest. Okay. The terrain is a bit tricky. It reminds me of Madhugiri climb. Super. He's bought the drone here. Drone. 2. From 3 to 1 go.
Hey, but you'll have to
Take that rut. Go inside this chadda and come out from there. No. We'll push, don't worry. You put some weight behind. You sit. Over. Over. Hey, come, we'll pull. Over, bro, over. Shit. Oh, shit. Oh. Over. Look at Sri.